Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. This is Henry for the third step of Nissan Patrol hard starting resolution. After the electric test, we are going to check the priming pump. If the engine don't start after you check in all the two steps, you check the priming pump. You push it, you push it, you push it, and you check to start the car. If they don't, you remove the priming and the fuel filter, and you replace by another one. This is not necessary to replace, to change the priming, but this is necessary to change the fuel filter. The fuel filter. And you feel it, you push it and push it again, and when you show that is full and you have a good flow, the fuel flow, and the car won't greet again. Thank you. It was Henry for hard starting resolution in 3 steps. Thank you.